love me a good under eye collagen eye patch. These are the Abib ones. Repeat user of these. This is beauty done right. The opinions in this review are mine. The product was provided by the brand. These patches are thick and jelly-like, instantly cooling without feeling slimy or cheap. These are like pure luxury. No strong scent whatsoever. They actually stay put under the eye. They don't slide down your face. The hydration is noticeable right away, especially for tired or crepey under eyes. I have a little bit of darkness under my eyes, a little bit of puffiness, and this takes it right away, looking smoother and more awake after use. These feel more treatment level than cutesy self-care. I like the ingredient combos, touching on the caffeine and the collagen. This is a complete eye patch. Really like these. This is a solid option if your eyes need real help, not just a cold placebo. Highly recommend the Abib Collagen Eye Patch.